Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install Google Play Games on Windows 11. First, open your web browser on Windows. Go to the search bar and type Google Play Games for PC. Press enter and look for the official Google Play website in the results. Make sure you choose the official site from Google to avoid any unsafe downloads. Once the website opens, look for the download button that says Download for PC. Click on it and wait for the installer file to download to your computer. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and find the installer file. Double-click the file to start the installation process. A setup window will appear on your screen with on-screen instructions. Follow each step carefully and allow the installation to complete. The installer will now set up Google Play Games on your Windows 11 system. Once installation is finished, open the application. You will be asked to sign in using your Google account. Enter your email and password to continue. After signing in, you will see the main dashboard of Google Play Games. From there, you can browse available games or search for your favorite titles. Thanks for watching.